Hi, Bart here from Stepwise. In this interactive tutorial, we'll learn how to insert and format text in OneNote. Let's get started. First, let's practice adding text. You can either type directly using the keyboard like this is a demo to add and format text in OneNote, or you can copy text from another source such as Microsoft Word. To copy, simply click and drag your cursor over the text you'd like to copy, and then right-click and either select the copy option or use the keyboard shortcut, that is Ctrl+V. Once you've copied, let's go and paste it in OneNote. To paste your copied text, you can either right-click and select the paste option, or you can again use the keyboard shortcut, that is Ctrl+V. Great, now let's focus on formatting the text. I see that the first line is the definition of linear regression. I'd like to highlight it. So for that, I can either make it bold, italicized, or underlined. Let's say I'd like it to be bold. Select the bold option. I'd also like it to be underlined. So for that, select it again and use the underline option. The rest of the text, I'd like it to be of a different font. For that, select the entire text and change the font from here. I'll make it this. Once this is done, I'd also like to increase the font size. For that, select the text and change your size using the slider. Let's say I'll make it 18. Now it looks like this line tells that linear regression assumptions are. I'd like it to be italicized, so I'll use the italic option. There are multiple tools in linear regression that are used. I'd like to highlight them, and they're here. I'll select it and use the highlighter option. You can also change the color of highlighter by selecting it again and this. Click this arrow and then change the color of the highlighter. Once you've done it, you can also copy the entire formatting of the text and put it on another text instead of using the options again. Like you can see in this, the first definition is bold as well as underlined. So if I want this text to be bold and underlined, instead of going here, clicking bold and then underline, what I can do is I can simply select the first line where the formatting is, and I can use this format painter button and copy the formatting. Now I can apply it to any text, and without having to do all the functions one at a time, I can copy the entire formatting from one place to another. You can also remove the formatting from anywhere in the text by selecting the text and then using the clear formatting option. That's it. Don't forget to practice on your own and format text to make it more appealing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.